Tangsalo salnwi bagai haste phaikha Petroleum Natural Gas State Tourism ni Union Minister Suresh Gopi. Kwrak haste ni guest house haste ni Tourism Department ni Minister Sushanta Chowdhury te tangbedekni officer rok by malaiwi koklamo achukkha. Ashalni pandawa haste ni Tourism Department no tewe kaham khlaiwi koklam shalai borok. Abuni yagulo koktama thumnai rogni bus kango phaiwi Petroleum Natural Gas State Tourism ni Union Minister Suresh Gopi shaka Tourism ni hamkrani bagai sakthari samang khlaiwi tongo haste hapang. Haste ni Tourism no national tai international ni nokhlawo talangna ni bagai samang khlaiwi tongo. Tourism ni hamkrani bagai kendra hafang ni chubasu tongnai hanai shaka bo.
So far, I think I am left with the liberty of only telling you so much. Maybe furtherance of the effectiveness of such a discussion will be experienced by the people who have full rights over Tripura by birth and exercising a much better performance in the name of tourism, which will fetch huge growth rate for the state and its people and the domestic or the international tourists who will want to visit Tripura a first time or make a repeat visit to the state to experience the most gracious experience. I think will happen. I have since the terrain is so blessed by itself.
Ashalni panda paiman yagulo haste ni Tourism Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury shaka salkisa sakang ni Lok Sabha chong marwa kendra wo batai wei kabangma bot manai kaplai angkha MP eba Petroleum Natural Gas State Tourism ni Union Minister Suresh Gopi. Ashalni panda wo haste ni tourism ni hamkrani bagai koklam shalai khani shaka bo.
And significant victory this time in the recently concluded parliamentary elections. We, at the behest of Tripura government and Tourism Department of Tripura, heartily welcome him in this meeting or press meet. We are also joined by Secretary Tourism, Mr. Uttam Kumar Chakma, and newly appointed Director Tourism and MD of Tripura Tourism Corporation Limited, Prashant Badal Negi, in the Tourism Department. I thank you all for being here. We had a very detailed discussion regarding the ongoing projects of Tourism Department and the future planning. The Director, the Secretary, Tourism Department, they have elaborately narrated everything through slide.
Tripura haste ni ONGC ni Tripura SN no tewe bus hawai manka kendra Mantri Suresh Gopi. Bureau Report. Kwrak.